What's up guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel, Cooking with me, chefqe. Today we are bringing out the big dog flat top griddle and we are whipping up some chicken and shrimp quesadillas. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's cook. Alright guys, we're going to start by prepping our veggies. As you guys can see, I have a green, red, orange, and yellow bell pepper here, and I'm just going to slice them on up. I have half of a red onion here as well. I'm going to cut a few slices of it and set it aside with our peppers. Now on to our chicken. I have 2 boneless skinless chicken breasts here. I'm going to trim off the excess fat and then cut them into small chunks. Alright guys, we have our chicken breast cut into chunks, so now I'm going to season it up generously with some seasoned salt, chili powder, cumin, paprika, black pepper, and Weber's Kickin' Chicken seasoning. I'm going to drizzle a little oil in and give it a good toss to evenly coat it. Alright guys, we're going to set our chicken aside and work on our shrimp. These are extra large raw shrimp that have already been peeled and deveined. I'm just going to season them up generously with the same seasonings from earlier. And if you guys see some little hands adding in some seasoning, that's just my niece who wanted to help me out. Alright guys, we're going to set our shrimp aside and get to cooking. I have my stove top set to a medium-high heat on my left side and a low heat on my right. So when I get done cooking each ingredient, I can slide it over to the cooler side. I added some bacon fat onto my flat top and just spread it out nice and even with my spatula. We're going to throw our peppers and onions on, lightly season them, and let them saute until they're tender, so about 5 to 7 minutes. Alright guys, here we are about 7 minutes later. Our veggies are nice and tender, so I'm going to slide them on over to the right side and then add on my chicken. I'm going to spread it out nice and even and I let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on the first side. Alright guys, after about 4 minutes, I flipped the chicken over and we're going to let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I did cover my chicken with a skillet to help speed up the cooking process. Our chicken is done and good to go, so I'm going to slide that on over and throw on our shrimp. Of course, these won't take long to cook. I let them go for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. shrimpies are nicely cooked, so we're going to slide them on over as well. And now we're ready to assemble our quesadillas. Alright guys, I have some large 10-inch round flour tortillas here that I threw on. I'm going to add some shredded Colby Jack and shredded Queso quesadilla cheese on one side. Now you can certainly use whatever kind of cheese you'd like. I have my heat on a medium-low heat as well so I don't burn them up. Guys, now I'm just going to add a little of everything to each one. My chicken, shrimp, and of course my peppers and onions. Now you can certainly add on more cheese if you'd like. I'm going to fold my left side over and let the bottom lightly toast for about a minute or until it's nice and golden. Here we are after about a minute. I'm going to flip them over and let the other side toast as well. Now the one at the top was taking a little longer to brown, but it's okay. I just turned the heat up on it and got it toasted. Now once they're ready, I'm going to remove them from the heat and set them aside while I make more. We have all of our quesadillas assembled, so let's slice them up. And that is it, guys. Our chicken and shrimp quesadillas are complete. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Comment down below what you think of this recipe. Follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in the next video.